Welcome to Prince Maths Clinic, the e-learning solution at your pace and time. Good day and welcome once again to class. Here we have a very lovely SAT maths question before us, and the figure not drawn to scale, of course, is a circle with the center A, and we are told that the length of the arc BC, that is from here to here, is 2/5 of the circumference of the circle, and we have to find the value for x. But before we go right into the solution, kindly hit on the subscribe button if you have not done so. Share this video with your friends and loved ones, and also we appreciate your comments as well. Let's go into the solution. I'm going to draw out the circle and make some remarks. Here is a circle. This part from the center to the circumference is called the radius. So also this part from the center to the circumference is also another radius. So the two parts are equal. So with this information in mind, we are told that the length of the arc BC, which is this part, is 2/5 of the circumference. So permit me to say this part here is 2/5 C representing the circumference of the circle. With this in mind, we know that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So this becomes 2/5 times 2 pi r. Simplifying this further, 2 times 2, which is 4, this becomes 4 pi r over 5 on one hand. Then on the other hand, to find the value for x is just a portion of the entire circle, which has its own formula, which is x over 360 degrees times 2 pi r. And we were told from the question that the length of the arc BC is 2/5 of the circumference of the circle. Therefore, from that information, I'm going to equate this part to this part. Therefore, x times 2 pi r over 360 degrees equals to 4 pi r over 5. So let's simplify now. Pi and r cancels out on both sides. 2 can go in 360 180 times. So what do we have left? We have x over 180 on this side. Then what do we have left on this side? We have 4 over 5 left. Therefore, what do we do in this regard? If we cross multiply, we will have that 5x. This times this gives us 5x equals to 4 times 180 is 720 degrees. And at this stage, if we divide both sides by 5, 5 here cancels out 5, and 5 can go in 720 144 times. Therefore, we can say that the value for x is 144 degrees. So that is the solution to this question. I would appeal to you to like this video, share it with your friends, and always keep on watching this channel, because we do share interesting maths challenge, SAT maths question, WAEC, JAM, and all such questions that will be beneficial for preparation towards any exam you think of in mathematics. Thank you.